How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Make Money Trucking. And today we're going to be taking off these fenders and putting some different fenders on. So I'm going to show you guys how to quickly take these fenders off. Show you on this side right here. Basically, you take a 15/16. There's going to be 2 bolts holding this bracket, and then underneath here there's going to be 2 bolts and nuts holding this bracket here, and then there's just another one on the back right here, this nut and bolt, and then these should slide back off. There's a peg it sits on right there, and then there's a peg it sits on right here. So, and then it's the exact same for the opposite side. So let's get into this. Being a pain and doesn't want to come off, but we gotta get these fenders off because we got some suspension work being done and I'm putting different fenders on. So we're just gonna, these are 1/2-inch bolts that hold the actual fender liner to the bracket here. We're just gonna unbolt these and then move on to the next one. This isn't a trend with this truck. This is a bad one. Couldn't get those bolts and nuts undone, so we undid these. They broke off, so now we should be able to just pull the fender right off, hopefully. I was gonna try to save them, but all right. Well. Alright, well, there's one of them. Damn, that was a fight. And this broke. This is broken. And then this bolt won't come off, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take care of that. But here's the stupid fenders. We're gonna be putting new fenders on, so. But yeah, because those bolts won't come back. It's hard to get over that bracket. So we're gonna do another side now. Let's see how good that goes. Here's the other side. See if we can't get this one done a little bit easier. Not holding my fingers though, but there's one nut, still another one. Fenders off, and fortunately this one broke where it attached to this peg, so we're just going to take the cutting wheel. We're just going to cut a relief right here, and that should allow it to loosen up and come off. I tried so hard to get this bolt to turn, and I just am not having any luck with it, so we're going to get it cut off there. right, so we got that off, cut it all, and now we can put the new ones on. New shiny fenders here. Oh man, I don't want to touch them. I'm putting smudges in them. Nah, I just can. They're gonna get dirty anyways. So yeah, these are the quarter fenders, or at least that's what I call them. I'm probably these black mud flaps, or whatever you want to call them. I'm gonna wait to put these on because on the trailer, as you'll see, or the trailer that I run, it already has these. And a lot of times if I put my own on there with other trucks, it'll just, you know, rip those off. But these are pretty solid, you know, stainless steel. So, or I usually buy the ones that are plastic, but I figured to match the truck and, you know, how the truck is kind of set up, the aesthetics of it, I'll use these. And then I might put the full ones back on. I might put the full ones back on if I decide to do that. But for right now, we're gonna put these on, and then got to slide. All you gotta do is just slide this clamp over this, and then this slides onto the peg, and I'll show you. All right, so I'm gonna take the new fender, put the clamp on like so, and just slide this over the peg. You're gonna want to watch your spacing down here, kind of space it just right so you're not coming into the suspension arm that holds the spring. And then, like I said before, we're not gonna put the top pieces on just yet. But yes, we're gonna go ahead, and that looks good. We'll kind of get them, you know, how you want them in place, and then we'll kind of just tighten them down. And all it is just a 15 millimeter bolt right here, and we'll just torque them down. So with these, this is as close as I can go. There's a little bit of overlap, but I don't think that'll look too awfully bad once I get it on all the way. All right guys, so there you have it. We got two new quarter fenders on the truck. They look pretty good. And once I get the mud flat figured out on the trailer, I'll add it onto the top of these if it'll clear and everything's good. And I might just put those back on and just buy new supports if I can find them. But for right now, I'll run these. And all right, well, that's how you install them. They're pretty easy and straightforward. Just got one bolt to fasten, and yeah, these are pretty solid, so hopefully they stand up pretty well. Right guys, hopefully you found this informative, and I will see you on the next one.